Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be sharing with you a quick tutorial on how I created these really cute candy box sleeves. I did a similar video like this last year. I believe it was a live craft with me, and I'll go ahead and link that down below in case you guys have not checked that out. But I used these ribbon candy boxes that I got from Dollar Tree. And I loved the size of them, and when I saw them, I right away knew that I wanted to create a little sleeve for them. This is like one of my favorite things to do. I just think it's so fun, and I love the way this turned out. So we're going to create the sleeve right now, and I'll have all the measurements linked in the description box below because I do not have them right now as I am filming this video. So if you want the measurements, just go ahead and check the description box. They should all be down there. And I'm creating two pieces. This is going to create my actual sleeve. I made two pieces. One is the top and one is the bottom of this sleeve, and it's going to slip right onto the candy box. And I'm just going to add some adhesive to the side tabs and connect them, making one sleeve. This paper collection is a paper pad from Pebbles, I believe, and it's called Holly Jolly. I also like this idea because after the recipient receives their candy box, they can easily cut apart the sleeve and maybe use it as a card front or just have it as decoration or something sitting on their desk. I think it's really cute. So I'm just putting together my sleeve, and this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to be showing you the watercolor paper I'm using as well as the little mat in the background, and I'm going to have the dimensions, like I said, down in the description box. The stamp that I'm using is called Bundled Up from Kirsten Winkelbauer for Whimsy Stamps, and I absolutely love this artist. I think this image is so beautiful. I actually picked this stamp up, I believe, a couple years ago, so if I can find the link, I will have it down below if you guys would like to pick it up. I'm using Strathmore watercolor paper, and to color my image, I'm using my Arteza watercolor pencils that I absolutely love, love, love. If you guys would like to pick these up for yourselves, I'll have the link down below as well. I do make commission on each sale, so if you guys are really interested in purchasing these, I would really appreciate you using the link. Anything I do make goes right back into my channel, which helps me to provide more awesome content for you guys. I usually will talk right through these coloring sessions, but I'm actually going to stop talking, let you guys listen to some Christmas music, and I will be back. So now after I'm done coloring, I'm just going to go ahead and take my Cutter Bee scissors and fussy cut around this image. I love leaving a little border, and I do love images that are not too detailed to cut because I'm not the best fussy cutter. My one thing on my Christmas wish list is a brother scan and cut. That would be like the best gift ever, aside from hockey tickets. Anyways, let me know in the comments down below if you guys are doing any Christmas crafting. I would love to see what you guys are up to. I am going to be doing a video every day for the first 25 days of December, in case you guys don't know, and I'm super excited about it. I love Christmas crafting, even though Halloween is my favorite holiday, and I do love, absolutely love Halloween crafting. Christmas is super fun to craft for as well, so I hope you guys will enjoy this series. I have a lot of fun stuff planned. So now I'm going to work on creating my background. I have a clear plastic sleeve, and I'm using my Arteza Real Brush pen in the color light green, and I'm going to be adding some water to that and pressing it onto my watercolor paper. And this is going to give me like a really cool watercolored background effect. And after that, I'm going to just hit it with my heat tool so it dries faster. After drying it, I saw that I kind of wanted to have a darker green, a little bit more intensity, so I just went over it again doing the same technique, used the light green color, pressed the image or pressed the ink onto my watercolor paper and then dried it again, and I was happy with the color payoff. So I love doing this technique. I actually saw my friend Danny first do this technique, and I love doing it. It's so much fun, and I love the background, like the watercolor background, the look that it gives. So this is what it looks like. After that, I just went ahead and took some white acrylic paint and my water brush. I'm trying to see if I can do it with a water brush instead of a paintbrush. I just want to see if it gives the same effect, which it does. And I just sprinkled that onto my background. I love the look of the white acrylic paint splatter. I think it just adds something. It's so pretty. So now I'm just going to be adding the background that we just created onto my mat. And I'm going to be cutting up some foam. You don't see me do it, but I have strips of fun foam that I just used my ATG gun and adhered that to the back of my mat. And I'm also going to be adding that to the back of my little girl here. So my friend Amador taught me that. All my crafty friends, like, I just love having crafty friends. They teach you so many awesome techniques for crafting, and they're just the best. So I have the foam, the fun foam right there, as you can see. And this is a really inexpensive way to add some dimension to your images or any projects that you want to add some dimension to, because foam tape can get expensive, especially if you use it a lot. And yeah, my friend Amador showed me this technique. He was like, why don't you just use fun foam? I was like, what? So yeah, I'll have my friend Danny and Amador, I'll link their channels down below in case you guys want to go check them out. Awesome crafters and creators, so definitely go do that in case you don't know who they are. So now I'm going to be using some Lawn Fawn baker's twine in red, green, and white. I love this twine. I was a little disappointed because when I first saw it on scrapbook.com, I think I had purchased it last year, I thought it was glittery. That's why I had ordered it, but when I got it, it wasn't. But I still love it. I think it's great twine. So I'm going to be adding some jingle bells, red jingle bells that I had picked up at Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. And I'm going to be tying a little bow, and I just think it adds something. I love the 3D elements that you can add to projects like this. It's super cute. So I'm doing that. And then I needed like a little phrase or a sentiment or something. So you don't see me show it here. I'm going to be showing it at the end of the video because I had forgot. But I found a paper from the Crate Paper Collection Snow and Cocoa that had a bunch of these Dymo label maker phrases. Really cute. So I just cut it apart. I found one that I liked, and then I just added that to the front of my little candy box sleeve. And I was going to be adding some sequins, but I have these beautiful green jemmies that I got from my friend Danny. Thank you, Danny. So I thought these would look really, really cute, especially because there's different sizes in the packs that she gave me. So I love that. I think it just looks really pretty when there's different size jummies. So that's what I'm doing here. And this is how it turned out. So I love the way these turned out, you guys. They came out so, so cute. I definitely will be doing more of these just because I love doing the little packaging to the candy boxes. It's just so super fun. So remember how I told you guys about these sentiments? This is the paper that I cut apart, and look at all the awesome winter and Christmas phrases. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all tomorrow. Love you guys. Bye.